Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a sitting up video. Yes, since I started this YouTube channel, I have not made a video to introduce myself or the channel to you guys. I just started making these cooking videos and then home remedies videos and a couple of vlogs, but today I decided to make this video, a get to know me tag video, which I want to share with you guys. I wrote these questions down from Google, which will help me to introduce myself. Kind of, if I answered them, you will get to know me a little from these questions. Okay, so let's start. The first question states that, what is your full name? My full name is Husseini Nimatu Nambi. Yes, Nambi, yes. Okay. Then the second question, how old are you? This question, I kind of want to twist it a little from the how old are you to my birth date. My birth date is 22nd October. Yeah. Guys, okay, so my birth date is 22nd October. Yes. So my birth date, my birthday is at the corner, you know. So the next question is favorite subject in high school. My favorite subject in high school, senior high school, was geography. I love that subject so much. Just the drawing, it makes me happy. At least something that I have to do with my own hands makes me happy. I love geography. Okay, so the next question is favorite drink. My favorite drink is a drink I made a recipe of. I made a video of it. It's on my channel. You guys can check it. It comprises of cucumber, apple, parsley, ginger, and lemon. Yes, I love that drink so much, guys. So the next question is, what will you name your children? Oh, okay. I have one child. So his name is Sudais. For the rest, that will be coming, inshallah. When they come, we'll get the name for them. So the next question is, have you participated in sports before? Yes, senior high school, I participated in the sports activity before. It was javelin, you know, that long stick that you throw. No, hey, it was affecting here. It wasn't easy though. Okay, so the next question is favorite color. Oh, favorite color. What color? I think blue. Sea blue. That's always been my favorite. Sea blue. Yeah. Okay. The next one is, on a scale of 1 to 10, rate your childhood. Wow. My childhood, I will rate it 7. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad, so I'll rate it 7. And it was not also super, you know. I'll rate it 7. So, have you been out of the country before? Oh, no, I've not been. Abi, Togo is out of the country, right? I've ever been to Sankaisi. You guys, comment below if you think that going to Sankaisi, Togo, is out of the country or not. That's what Google asked me. So, kind of like, oh, I've been to Togo before. So, the next question is, do you speak any different languages? Do I speak? Yeah, apart from English, I speak Moshi, Hausa, Kusal, Mampuli, but not fluent. Mampuli and Dagbani, but not fluent. Okay, so I speak those languages. So then, do you have any siblings? Yes, I have siblings. Yes, I do have siblings. Okay. So let me talk about the siblings. My dad had 3 wives. So had a lot of siblings, you know, but from my mom we are 4. My older sister, my elder brother, and and my twin brother and I, we are four from my mom. Okay, guys, do you want me to make a video of I and my twin brother? If you would like to see that video, please comment below and tell me. Okay, guys. Okay, did you like school? Depends. So it stages. Initially, I didn't like school. But later on, I like school. That's senior high school. That I started enjoying school. You know? Yeah. So the next question: who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Of course, Wadamaya. I love that guy, seriously. Wadamaya is one of my favorite YouTubers. Of course, Sweet Ajele, I do follow her. And then I also follow Abuna's Words. She's just amazing. Guys, check her channel. So what phone do you have? I'm currently using Techno Spark 5. That is what I'm using to record this video. Yes. So marriage status. I am married. Yes, married. And then how tall are you? Do I even know my height? Is it 100 and I don't know. I can't remember the last time. I don't know actually. But I'll be making a part 2 of this video, so I'll add that answer. I should have made my research, before, yeah, but I'll make a part 2 of this video. Do you have pets? No. I don't have any pets, but maybe in future I think I should get one. I like cats, so I think I should get a cat for myself. Yeah. So what do you do for a living? I am a nurse. I'm a nurse in Ghana. Yeah, that is what I do for a living, and I also do pizza as my part-time job. Do pizza. Yeah. So what do you have hope to get famous one day? Being famous comes with a lot of advantages and disadvantages. Yes, so I would one day want to become famous, but not too famous that it will attract a lot of a lot of evil eye. Yeah, so I will one day want to become famous, but not too famous. Yes. So that is all the questions that I have here. So the part 2 of this video, if you guys have any question that you want to ask me, you can put it in the description box below, so that I will use it to answer you in the part 2 of this video. I also put it on my WhatsApp status and Facebook. If any of you want to ask me some questions about myself, that will help you know me more. So that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and share. Okay, if you have not subscribed yet, please do so by clicking the subscribe button below, the red one. After clicking, please click the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Okay, and then those my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much. I'm much grateful. Bye bye.